I just picked up the Rode Wireless Micro microphones, and this is going to be a really nice upgrade. So I have been using the Rode Wireless Go 2, and this has been great, but it's very large, as you can see. And also, I was not a fan of how big the logo was on the front of the actual device. And then switching over to this charging case design is really going to make things a lot more convenient. We'll open this up and see what we're getting. Looks like we have the microphone right here. Rode is definitely one of my favorite audio brands. I know they've been around for a long time. So we've got a quick start guide, some wind filters, we've got a double-sided USB-C cable, and then finally in here we've got the actual microphones. So as you can see, it's in a super slim case, and here's AirPod Pros for comparison. So definitely a little bit bigger than the case for AirPods, but at the same time, really not much larger. And then for charging, we do have USB-C on the back. And then opening this up, here's the setup here. We have, of course, the receiver. So just plug this end into your phone, and then you can see there are two indicator lights, but there are no actual buttons on this receiver. Then taking a look at the microphones, here they are, plastic off these. So these microphones are super small, and you can also see these also do not have any buttons. Now, when I was considering going for Rode versus DJI, I'll be honest, I actually really like this simplicity. The reality is that when I'm at a trade show, for example, or just having a busy day creating content, I don't want to be pressing on buttons or really adjusting anything like that. I don't want manual controls on the actual mic. Maybe some people do, I just don't. So I really like the simplicity here. I don't have to think about anything. I don't press any buttons by accident. It's just good to go at all times. I also like that if I want to just hold the mic in my hand, it has the right shape to allow for that. Another benefit with these mics too is that we're actually getting a magnet here. So if you want it to be connected to your shirt or clothing via a magnet instead of the actual clip, you have that ability as well, and it's super seamless. And then another awesome thing as well is that we of course have the clip, but you have the option to really clip it on either side of your shirt because the actual microphone itself is up top here. So if you clip it this way and then the majority of the microphone is actually on the other side of your shirt, then all you're going to see in your camera frame is literally this small rectangle. Now I've been using my Galaxy S25 Ultra so far for recording the audio on this video. I'm going to plug this receiver into the phone right now so you can see the difference. And I now have the Rode mic connected to my phone, so this audio is from the actual microphone itself. So I'm definitely curious to know what you think of the audio quality in comparison to the first portion of the video.